everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda if you're new here, and if you're not new here, thank you so much for subscribing. If you already haven't subscribed, please be sure to subscribe to me. I make videos every week. This week, I am making something that's been long overdue on my channel, and it's something that a lot of people have been waiting for, and it's the zip-up bedding for a twin size. But not only that, it's how to make it using pre-existing sheets. So if you're interested in this, then just keep on watching. Also, be sure to hit that little bell button so that you get notified as soon as my videos go live. All right, you ready? Let's go. Start off with your bare mattress, and then go ahead and put your fitted sheet on it and measure down the side and the width of it. Mine was 73 inches and the width was 38. Now I'm just going to take some chalk or a marker and go ahead and go down the two sides and the bottom, right along the edge. This will be your guideline in order to sew your zipper on. I also went ahead and pinned it just in case my chalk smeared off. For the top of the blanket, I bought 3 yards of this unicorn stretch fabric, and I bought a pre-made queen size fleece blanket from Walmart. What you're going to do is go ahead and cut out your measurement of what you measured in the beginning, so 73 inches by 38 inches. That was mine, and then you go ahead and cut it out the same with the fleece. Make sure to add your seam allowance. Now you're going to pin them right sides together and sew all the way around, leaving an opening to turn right side out. Once it's sewn, you're going to go ahead and clip your corners off, turn it right side out, and go ahead and top stitch it all the way around. Now take your zipper and go ahead and cut out 2 zippers the length of the 2 sides of your blanket. You'll also need 2 zipper pulls. Pin the zipper down right sides touching your blanket and sew it down. The easiest way to do this is sew until you get to the zipper pull and then go ahead and skip over it. Make sure to back stitch again and then sew the rest of the way down. One thing I've learned from doing this project is that it's probably easier to go ahead and not put your zipper together until you finish sewing it to each individual piece. If you did have the zipper together, then you're going to go ahead and go back and pull the zipper pull up and finish sewing where you skipped over earlier. And this is what it looks like. Here's where I recommend taking your zipper apart, or don't even put it together yet to begin with in the first place. Because what you're going to do now is go ahead and sew the other side of the zipper, right sides touching the sheet part, and make sure that when you flip it over, the topper material and the zipper is going to be facing up. Pin that down and sew it. I ended up taking mine apart because I was trying to sew it with the zipper together, like I said earlier, but I just took it all the way apart and just sewn the zipper to it, and it made it so much easier, and I'll worry about putting the zipper together later on. Just make sure you're lining that zipper up to that line that you drew earlier. Here is where I put the zipper pulls on, and guys, please take it from me, this is so much easier. Start at the bottom and go ahead and just pull it up, and it's easy peasy. Repeat on the other side. Now I'm just top stitching the top blanket to the top of the sheet, following my guideline at the bottom. And this was just the easy way out, and it was super simple. The last step is to make stoppers for your zipper, so I just went ahead and took embroidery floss or embroidery thread and made stoppers for the top of my zipper. This is the finished zip-up bedding. It's super customizable and it's just an easy sew and costs a lot less money than the store-bought ones. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you like it, then like it, and if you like me, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.